Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the channel, your daily dose of smart market analysis before the bell. Today's setup for the Nifty is looking flat positive to positive, and we'll discuss exactly what that means, where the key levels are, and what traders should be ready for in the first hour of trade. Let's dive straight into the data and the charts. Global market overview. Let's first take a quick look at how global markets performed overnight, because that always sets the tone for our opening. The Dow Jones closed 0.88% positive, showing strong buying momentum. Asian markets are also trading 0.85% higher, which means the sentiment in our region is upbeat. European markets closed flat positive at around 0.38%, so no major drag there. The USD-INR pair is slightly positive at 0.12%, showing currency stability. Crude oil is down -0.60%, but that's actually a positive sign for India since lower crude helps inflation and trade balance. So globally, it's a green backdrop, and that gives Nifty a good chance to open slightly positive and possibly extend gains during the session. Nifty technical overview. Now let's come to Nifty's technical setup. Yesterday, the index closed at 25,585.35, down by about 165 points. But what's crucial is that Nifty is now resting right near a major support zone. Let's look at the key levels on the chart. Resistance levels. R1 बज के 25 673. R2 25,753. R3 25,838. R4 25,923. R5 25,993. R6 26,063 support levels. S1 बज के 25 540. S2 25,482. S3 25,402. S4 25,312. S5 25,217. S6 25,132. Nifty is currently sandwiched between S1 and R1, which means we are in a neutral to bullish zone. If the index holds above 25,540, S1, during the morning session, there's a good chance we might see a bounce toward R1 and R2 zones. Sentiment or structure. The overall sentiment today is flat positive, meaning the market might open steady and gradually build momentum through the day. Here's how to interpret that. Buyers are active near support zones. Global cues are supportive, and volatility has come down slightly, signaling stability returning. However, since we've had a few sessions of profit booking recently, we can expect some early hesitation or sideways movement before a clear breakout. Keep an eye on 25,673, R1. A breakout above that can trigger a short covering move toward 25,753, R2, and even 25,838, R3, later in the day. Intraday trading plan. So here's your game plan for today. If Nifty opens flat or slightly positive and holds above 25,540, look for long opportunities near the first pullback. Your initial target can be 25,673, R1, and the next 25,753, R2. Keep a tight stop loss below 25,482, S2, because if Nifty breaks this level, we might slip to a 25,400 to 25,312 zone quickly. On the other hand, if we get a gap up opening, avoid chasing the rally immediately, wait for a small retracement toward R1 to confirm whether buyers are sustaining. That's where smart entries come in. Sectoral or stock view. In terms of sectors, we may see it in pharma showing mild recovery after recent consolidation. Banking could remain range-bound in the morning, and auto and FMCG might see selective strength. For intraday traders, focus on high-volume breakouts near your SR zones, and avoid mid-zone entries. Outlook or closing. So to wrap it up, today's outlook for Nifty is flat positive to positive. Global markets are supportive, the index is sitting near strong support, and we have enough cushion on the downside. If buyers manage to defend 25,540, we might see a gradual upside push toward 25,753 to 25,838 zones. Stay disciplined, trade with your plan, and watch those levels carefully. The first 30 minutes after open will decide the day's tone. That's it for today's pre-market analysis. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below where you think Nifty will close today, above or below 25,700. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the post-market review.